Hi everyone! Today is September 1st, 2007. It's a sunny Saturday evening and we're here in Buena Park, California. And my name is Estelita and ako si Tita Ninang ni Ron Morales. So we're here, we gathered some people, well-wishers ni Ron, and let's see, come on in. Hi everyone, I am Ron's mom and we're here at Buena Park, California. Meron kaming small gathering and we're here to support my son. Good luck, Haron. Good luck, Ron. I hope you make it. I hope you get the title. Papasalamat ako sa Diyos that you made it to the final 6. And itong last week na to, we're trying to raise some funds for you para makatulong dyan in whatever way. Lahat naman sila dito, they're willing to support you. Do your best. You've come a long way. Pakita mo sa lahat that you deserve it. You deserve the title. You continue to be what you are. Mabait, guwapo, at humble. Always be humble. Kahit anong mangyari at dumating sa'yo, laging ang paa mo nakatapak sa lupa. Lagi mong iisipin lahat ng mga tao na tumulong sa'yo and continue to pray. Pasalamat ka palagi sa Diyos dahil lahat ng meron ka, lahat tayo dito, sa Kanya lahat ng gagaling niyang mga biyaya. So don't ever forget that. And I hope one day makita tayo kasama mga kapatid mo. Thank you for doing this para sa atin lahat. Thank you dahil kami you're doing it for us. Sa akin, sa mga kapatid mo. Not only that, and syempre ginagawa mo to para din sa sarili mo. You want to prove something. Just do it. And you deserve everything. You deserve to be where you are right now.
Hi, my name is Minmin, and this is my husband Jose, and Erin. You know Erin? Hello! Anyway, we're here to
wish you good luck.
Wish you the best. #1 fan.
Go Bench!
Go Bench!
Go Bench! Go Ron!
Go Ron! That's right, vote for Ron.
Hi, Tito Ron. Good luck and best wishes, okay? Ay, ang Tita Eunice and si Tito Gilbert mo ka lang natutulog pa siya. Okay, good luck. God bless you.
Yeah.
Gawin sila ko doon.
And go.
Hello po. Good luck. 23 years old lang ako. Ngayon lang.
Ang isang supporter ni Ron, si Sheila.
Yay!
Hi, Ron. Hello.
Yan lang.
Good luck. Good luck. Kalimutan pag meron ka din iyapiran sa. Ayun lang.
Ito naman po si Tita Palu. Okay?
Hi, Ron. Good luck. That's all. 99.
Ito naman po si Aris and Red.
Congratulations. Hope to see you here.
Okay.
And good luck. And sana'y ikaw manalo.
Yes!
Yes!
Go Ron!
Okay.
Dito naman po tayo ang mga gwapo, si Edgar, Joseph, and Jomar. Okay guys?
Good luck, Ron. More power. Sana manalo ka.
Good luck din, Ron. I love you. Galingan mo okay mo eh.
And Jomar?
Kaya ka kay Red. Pagbalik.
I love you too.
Okay, go Ron! Thank you!
Hi, I'm Ron. Best of luck in this competition. And I'm Mario, if you remember. I'm a good-looking brother-in-law.
And I'm Tita Julie.
In California, so best of luck.
And this is Rose.
She's always trying to horn in on the picture. Anyway.
Congratulations, and if you win, can you start an autograph for me?
namin dyan, meron kami pupuntahan, okay? Alright? Beautiful.
Okay. Go.
Hi, Ron!
Ron, bring home the bacon, okay? Ang ina mo ay aming nananalangin kaming ng ina mo na sana yung mga pangalan nila. Sabi mo,
Well, just good luck.
yeah, good luck.
Good
So,
luck.
mukha linimutan ang mga
Taga...
dito, ang mga
Taga-Downey.
tito, tita mo sa LA. Patang ina mo! ay talagang naiiyak sa kaligayahan sa'yo. Okay, bye-bye.
Ang Tito Eric mo,
Tito Eric mo talaga may luha pa sa isang
umiiyak.
bata.
Ang Tito Eric mo, umiiyak ngayon.
Ako yun, ako.
He's proud of you. Your Tito Eric.
Hindi ka na pagagalitan. Pag nanali ka, hindi ka na pagagalitan.
Totoo yun.
Sorry. Okay. Bye-bye.
Okay? Okay? Good luck. I hope you win. Buy us food. Hi, Aaron. Good luck. I know you'll make it. Okay? Go, Ron.
Okay, Nay.
Go, Aaron. Go. Carlos, I'll be there.
Hey.
Kita kita sa TV.
I vote for you. Good luck. Good luck. Good luck.
Good luck.
Okay.
Good luck. Nalihan po alam namin you'll make it.
Ay, Silvi Sibing. Hey.
Alam mo yan.
Go, Ron. Okay.
Huwag ka masyadong yayakap. Itangisi, hindi ito pang porno.
Okay, si Tito mo.
Hi kami na.
Hey, mamaya, papalabas natin yan. Lalabas ka na ano, projector.
Okay.
Ha? Dala mo yung ano niyan?
Oh.
Gadget?
Bench.
A bench.
Pwede mo ba kami padala ng bench? Maski ng Mercedes. Bench!
Basta laging ang kalooban mo malinis.
Okay. Oh, dito na. Dito na. Hindi pa.
Hindi pa tapos ang
Okay.
lagi ka magpapakita.
Okay. Sino na?
Kakalimutan yung mga taong
Tumulong sa'yo. Katulad ni Tita Chris.
Okay. Okay.
Yung mga nagbebenta ng candy. At saka yung nagbebenta ng baso.
Okay. Isa na. Si Tita Janet.
Yung baon ko sa, yung lunch money ko, hoy,
Ay.
lunch money ko, binigay ko sa'yo.
Ron, ako na lang magsasalita para kay ano.
Dollar.
Bigyan sa akin. Bigyan sa akin.
Okay. Tito Buddy.
Ay. Happy birthday.
Pero,
Oh!
Happy birthday na rin.
B-Ben.
Ganun na rin.
Bibe! Huwag niyong kalilimutan. Masarap yan. Hindi mo kinakain yun?
si Buddy lahat kinain eh.
Mali, mali.
Lahat kinain. Kaya ako tumataba eh.
Ito ay binenta namin. $1 each.
Handa yan. Handa yan. Ngayon, binenta.
To Ron para kay Ron.
Yeah!
Focus mo yung Ron. I-focus mo yung Ron.
Be bench.
B-Ben.